In this video, we are going to make the best masala chai in 3 easy steps. Right. Thanks. Boy. Hello and welcome to Kissy Kissy Baby. Today we are making the bestest masala chai in the whole multiverse. Start as you would any other tea by chopping ginger and crushing all the spices mentioned in the recipe. You can find the recipe in the description box below. As some of the ingredients might be hard to find, I have included links for you to buy them directly. In India, there is a saying that mixing the spices in just the right and correct rhythm can cause a flavor explosion. Don't say I didn't warn you, folks. Next step, boil the milk. We used whole fat cow milk in our recipe. You can use any milk you want, such as bison milk, goat milk, polar bear milk, unicorn milk, goldfish milk. You can use whatever your heart desires, but it won't taste as good as this. But you can do it. I believe in you. After making the toughest decision of your life, you can start the next monumental task of grating the ginger. You take a piece of ginger and you grate it. You keep on grating it. You keep on at it and you grate some more.
2 hours later.
So after spending half the day grating ginger, you can go ahead and mix the spices and move on to the final step. I said you can move on to the final step. Yes. So now you start boiling the out of the tea. Literally. You have to boil the tea for 5 to 10 good minutes. Give it a stir now and then, but you're almost there. There's nothing much else to do here, folks, but just add the sugar, strain the tea. So, recapping, we boil the milk, add the spices, mix the spices, grate the ginger, add the sugar, add the tea leaves, mix everything together, boil it till there's no tomorrow, and keep on boiling. Now, if you've been with me so far, that means that you love good things in life. I think of us as a big family, and I would love to have more of you in it. I want to be big, guys. I want us to have a very big family here on YouTube. Help us grow, spread the word, like and subscribe. Leave a comment about what you would like to see. Tell at least one more person about our channel. And until the next time, think about your life choices. Maybe you still haven't subscribed. You know what that's gonna do? It's gonna make your tea not taste that good. And tea that doesn't taste that good, it's not a good tea in my books. No, it is not. So if I was you, I would subscribe. And plus, there's no plus, guys. I'll see you in the next video. Until that time, take care of yourselves. Goodbye. Bisous.